Home remedies for lower your cholesterol. 1. Alfalfa sprouts. These may improve or normalize cholesterol levels. Warning: wash thoroughly before you consume or use a veggie cleaning product available in most grocery stores. 2. Apples. Apples are high in pectin, which can lower cholesterol levels. 3. Artichokes. This veggie can actually lower cholesterol levels. Early studies pointed to their beneficial cholesterol-busting properties, that artichokes may be even more effective than they were first thought to be. 4. Beets. Full of carotenoids and flavonoids, beets help lower, and may even prevent, the formation of LDL, the bad cholesterol. 5. Carrots. Full of pectin, they're as good as apples in lowering cholesterol levels. 6. Olive oil. It protects your heart by lowering LDL, raising HDL, and preventing your blood from forming clots. 7. Pears. These are high in soluble fiber, which helps regulate cholesterol levels. 8. Rhubarb. This is a cholesterol buster. Consume it after a meal that's heavy in fats. You can cook it in a double boiler, with a little honey or maple syrup for added sweetness, until done. Add cardamom or vanilla if you like. 9. Yogurt. Eating 1 cup plain yogurt with active cultures a day may reduce LDL by 4% or more and total cholesterol by at least 3%.